We just finished the remodel of our shower, and wow, we have the M-Core shower diverter valve in here, and this is the Moen trim kit that goes with it. It looks so good. We wanted to go with something that was a little more angular, a little more industrial look for us, and this really came out really great how it came together. It has multiple positions for us to be able to select the different shower heads that we want to be able to go with it. So we have 2 different shower heads. So the nice thing about it here is that you can select one shower head, you can select both at the same time, you can select between the 2 of them. Has a really easy movement on this valve here. And then here's the hot and cold. Really cool the fact that the lever here is inside this, so it gives it a really nice design and really good look. All right, so here's how it works. It's gonna be a little loud, but I'm gonna show you how the valve works so that you know exactly what you're getting into. The installation was great, really easy to be able to install. You just need the Moen M-Core valve behind this to be able to install the Moen trim kit with it. So the trim kit does go with the valve, so the specific type of valve that you have does dictate the type of trim kit you get here. All right, so first you're gonna pull up the lever to be able to go. And then right now I have it just going on the 1 shower head, and then I'll turn this to the next clicking level. Now you have both shower heads, and then I'll go ahead and do it again. And now you only have the 1, so it cycles through the different ones depending on what you want to select. Very easy movement, but also you can feel kind of the click or the position that it hits there. So you're not trying to search which one is which, and you go through that. And then you can move this here. I really like this design, how it has the on and off kind of built into the middle of it, and then the rotation. Really great feel to it, good solid nature, and just a really high quality design here. I know I love it, and you're gonna love it as well.